Hi there, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you to get Trello board data in Google Sheet. This is a Trello board list, pending patient in bucket, and this is another list, approved bucket. I want to get data from each cart. If I open a cart, you can see there is a description. In description, it's a patient name, patient phone number, and treatment type. I want that these three details will be extracted and saved in Google Sheet. From these two lists, I want to get data, and these two list data will be saved in two different tabs in this Google Sheet. So what I have done, I wrote Google Apps script, I integrated Trello Board API, and now there is a menu button. If I run this script, it will start getting data. Now you can see patient name, number, and treatment type. All these three details I received in the Google Sheet. The second one, it's a Pawan. Now if I go my Trello board, you can see the second card and its patient name is Pawan. So this is the way I can get the data. So similarly for approved bucket, okay, I will run it. Get approved list card, patient data. So same way I will get data from another list. It's a this list. Here I am getting data from each card. So what I did, I wrote Google Apps script. I used cards endpoint. Now from here actually there's the function. I am passing pending bucket list ID, and it is here. This is the list ID, and API token and key also required. You have to collect. If you don't know how to collect API key and token for Trello board API, you can watch another video I have uploaded in the playlist. And basically how it is working, it's sending the API request, then it is getting the JSON response, and then after I am selecting who is sheet, I need to write data back, and then after here I am parsing the JSON array value, and it's another function name. I used here regular expression, you can see, to match exactly the expression to get the data for name, phone number, and treatment. Then I am writing back in the Google Sheet. That's how it's basically working. If you need this type of similar project or customized Google Sheet, or if you need any type of help for Trello board API for any language, you can comment below, or you can send me a WhatsApp message. I'll try my best to help you. Yeah, that's all in this video. I hope this video helped you for learning. Meet you in the next video. Take a good care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.